Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I want to tell you two things. The first is that Aurifil has begun wrapping floss on wooden spools. I don't know about you, but I really am tired of floss that comes in skeins that you then have to do something with to be able to carry it around neatly. This is great. I love them. There's 18 yards of floss on each spool, and what I have in front of me here in these boxes is a set. These two came together, and I like the neutrals and rainbow assortment of the colors. They're nice. You can find this on my website. But the other thing I wanted to show you is how to separate strands of floss. Now, if you already know this, it isn't news. But if you don't know this, it's really kind of nice. Embroidery floss has 6 individual strands that are very loosely twisted together. So embroidery floss is good for embroidery. It's not really good for what I might call weight-bearing sewing. So it's not particularly good to use in fabric seams or anything else, but it is a very nice, smooth, decorative thread. But when you embroider, you do not always need to use all 6 strands of floss. So different patterns will tell you to separate out 1 strand or 2 strands or 3. And for the longest time, I would find them and try to untwist it. It just doesn't work. The easiest way to separate strands is to open them up at one end, hold the floss like this loosely, grab 1 strand, and pull it free. Is that cool or what? Then you can lay that down. And if you need another strand, you isolate the strand and pull it free. Is that the coolest thing you ever saw? When I learned that, I was amazed and chagrined at the amount of time I'd spent trying to separate strands another way. Once you get your strands separated, then you can use them together and smooth them out. So that's 2 pieces of news. One is that Aurifil is now wrapping embroidery floss on wooden spools. How cool and cute is that? And 2, now you know the easiest way to separate out individual strands of floss from the larger 6-strand piece. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and may you have many happy stitches.